Sound the alarm. The king is born. Yo, word is born. What? You didn't think you was gonna drop a crazy beat like this, and T-Bizzy wasn't gonna get up on it. What? T-Bizzy wasn't gonna get up on it. AJB, AP said the AJB, AJB, AP.
When I was younger, it was all about the toys. Lined up under the tree, I hoped they were all for me. They were here today, and they were gone tomorrow. Now that they're gone, I have moved on to something I can stand on.
It ain't about the presents, it ain't the mistletoe. It ain't about the weather, so you can let us know. It's about the baby 2,000 years ago. I came to save the planet, so let it know. Baby boy, swooping all around that tree. The only thing you're thinking is where's the one for me? I know you might be laughing, but you do the same thing. Instead of being thankful, it's all about the ring.
Now that I know him, I know him for myself. I will tell the world who to call for help. Just relax and chill under the mistletoe. The kind of love he gives is better than I've ever known.
Santa Claus, I'm cool with that. If you're digging Frosty, yo, I'm cool with that. If you're feeling Rudolph, yo, I'm cool with that. But yo, it's JC's birthday, and that's a fact. Well, not really. Media glamorized the fact that Christ was born on the 25th. I differ, so I plead the 5th. Jesus Christ was a legend documented, so forget it if you're frontin' like this didn't really happen. When the stars aligned just right, it was perfect for the birth of a truth tonight. Here to save the whole world from the dark nights. Sin forgiven in the flicker, don't forget it, of the starlight. That's right, like a virgin. He was born like a King James version. Just believing, yo, you're talking about conversion. Make it hot like Cali and I'm surfing. AP, work it.
I don't get no blame.